Hello people, welcome back to BL Animation Studios.
Today we are going to talk about a very interesting topic. We have often talked about something in this After Effects series. What are you thinking about? It's motion graphics, right? I have often told you about motion graphics. We are going to create those motion graphics today. So, you must be wondering how to create motion graphics, right? I'll explain it to you in a very simple way. It will be very useful for you. In this video, we are going to do these things. First, we are going to put the downloaded file in Illustrator. Then, we are going to prepare the file as if we are preparing it for animation. We are going to import that file in After Effects. After animating the imported file, we are going to render it as a video. So, this is what we are going to see in this video. It will be very interesting to you and at the same time, it will be very useful to you. So, don't skip the video and watch it completely. Only then you can understand it completely, okay? So, let's go to the software and talk about the feature. So, what we are going to do now is to download a file from the internet. Shall we do that first? So, we have chosen this file. We have chosen this file for this video, for this demo project. Okay. The link to this file is in the description. Also, this free pick, I have been using this website for a long time. It will be very useful for you. You can also check this website. You will get the necessary illustration and many other images related to designing for free. This is not a promotion, it's just for your information. I'll give you a review of what I used. Don't forget to check it out. It'll be very useful for you. You can download it for free. Okay. Now let's download it. Now what we're going to do is, we're going to put this file in Illustrator and make an animation for our After Effects. Let's go to Illustrator and see what's left. The file we downloaded has been opened. Now we are going to split it into layers to animate it. As you can see, there is only one layer in this. Everything is combined, but we need each and every object in a separate layer. Only then we can easily animate in After Effects. So we are going to split it into layers. For that, we need to create a new file. Go to File and click on New. A window like this will open. In this, I have already saved a preset. Give this value. If you click on Create, a new artboard will open. In After Effects, we call it Composition. In Illustrator, we call it Artboard. Now I am going to copy and paste the image in this file. Make it a little bigger until our artboard is covered. What I'm going to do now is, I think we have 11 elements in total, right? So I'm going to add them in different layers. First, let's create a layer. When you click on this icon, a layer will be created for you. After creating this layer, select this element. If you don't have this property, go to the window and enable the property. If you scroll down, you will see an option called Ungroup. You can select the elements you want to ungroup and click on them to ungroup them. Now I am going to cut and paste these elements. Click Ctrl X to cut, click Ctrl Shift V to paste, Ctrl X to cut, Ctrl Shift V to paste. Now, we have completed the animation for After Effects. Now, we are going to rename the layer 1, 2, and 3 to make it easier for you to understand when you animate in After Effects. You can also rename the layer 1, 2, and 3 to make it easier for you. Now let's save this file. Press Ctrl S and you will see a window like this. You can put a folder structure in this window and save the file. This will be very useful when you are working on big projects. Always use a folder structure. I have given the name here. Save it. You will get this box. Just click on OK. You don't have to change anything. Now our file is ready. We have separated this file in Illustrator. Now we are going to animate this file in After Effects. Before that, check out the link in the description below. You can download it and try animating it. This is for your educational purposes only. So, don't forget to try it. It will be useful for you. So, let's see in detail how to animate this Illustrator file in After Effects. Let's go. Now, let's create a folder in After Effects. And then import everything. Because if you create a folder and put images, sequences, or music in that folder, you can easily find out what's in which folder even if you open the same project file and do some correction or work. So you can save a lot of time. Not only for small projects but also for big projects. So always put folders and work in a structured way. Now we can import the illustration file. Drag the illustration file and drop it in the folder. Now, in this option, you have to change the composition of the footage. Confirm that it is in layer size and click on OK. Our illustration has been imported with all the layers. Now, in this sequence, you have to drop this comp into the composition folder. Now, if you double-click on this, all our layers will be visible. If you look at the folder above, you can see that all our layers are present in it. We can use them in different compositions as well. Now, all our layers are here. It also has a transparent background. So, first we can create a background. Click on Ctrl+Y and create a solid layer. The top layer is the first visible layer, so let's bring down the solid layer. Let's start animating one by one. As I said earlier, the main character will come up from the bottom, the coffee and the plant will come from the side, and the small elements will pop up. So this is my visualization for this animation. Now let's start animating. First, select the man and create a keyframe in position. Keep the keyframe a little bit away from the object. After that, push this person down. If you push him down, the object will hold the Shift key and will move down in a straight line. Now, we can animate the coffee and the plant. Just like how we animated the man. Select both the layers and press P. After that, if you click on the stopwatch, the keyframe will be created. Now, move the selected keyframe slightly and bring it to the end. After that, we can select one by one and move them to one side. Okay, now we have animated these three. If you play it, you can see that everything is perfectly attached to this place. Now, let's start animating each of these elements. Now, let's animate the speechy. I'm going to add a scale pop-up to this. So, I'm going to click on the stopwatch. If you press S, the scale will pop up. As usual, I'm going to create a keyframe, move it aside, and then create another keyframe. I'm going to set it to 0, so that it travels from 0 to 100. So, we have to adjust the timing. We can adjust it at the end. Now, let's animate these small elements. Select all the elements and press the P key. After pressing the P key, click the stopwatch once. After clicking the stopwatch, take the indicator to the starting frame. Visualize the center point of the indicator and bring all the elements to the center point. So, if you want to come in a straight line, you have to hold Shift and it will travel in the same straight line so. We have brought everything. Now if we just drag and play once, you can see that everything comes like this so. We have to adjust the timing of this. It will come even better. We have done what we wanted to do. But we have to adjust the timing. Now we can add a scale animation to make the layers visible in the beginning. So as usual, we create a keyframe. Then give it a 0 value and create another keyframe. So if you play it now, everything is blank. When a certain time comes, everything pops up. So, if we adjust the timing based on this, the animation will change superbly. So, how do we do it? First, we need BG. After that, it should come one by one, right? So, these three: coffee, plant, man. We can move these 3 layers back a little bit. After that, we can move on to the next element. Before that, we can change the curve of the graph editor for these 4 layers. So press F9 and select keyframes. Then go to the graph editor and change the value of the graph like this. If you played it now, this animation will be very smooth. The small elements at the back will not match. So don't worry about that, we can change it. Select all the layers, drag them like this, and play around with them. Select where you want the animation to be placed. As I said earlier, the first layer will be visible. Since this is the first layer, the man doesn't look like he's coming from the back. He looks like he's coming from the front, so I'll bring him down. Now I will select all the layers and press F9. Then I will go to the graph editor and change the graph to the way I did for the other layers. I will play it and see. I think I need to adjust the timing a little bit more. So I will place the indicator at that point and adjust it a little bit. Now it is missing a little bit. I will adjust it a little more. If I play it now, it comes out just as I expected. I hope you liked it too. You would have learned how to create motion graphics in After Effects through this video. I hope it was useful for you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. You can try this as well. There is an Illustrator file and a link to download it. Similarly, the file we layered is also available. So, don't forget to download it. Just try it once. It will be very useful for you. So, you have seen this, right? Don't think that this is enough for you. Because, when you do small projects like this, what is the benefit you get from it? Or if you don't understand something, you can search for it in detail and learn from it. So, don't forget to try this. All the files are available for you to download and try. So guys, we have come to the end of this video. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to check out our channel. And most importantly, try this After Effects series. You can learn After Effects very easily and simply. You can't learn it in just 30 days. You can definitely learn it when you put in your hard work, very easily. So don't forget to check out our channel. And click on the red subscribe button next to it and press the bell icon as well. So, we'll talk in the next video. Until then, it's BL for you.